Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. After updating to iOS 14 while listening songs, automatically the volume level drop down and it shows volume notification. In Apple forum many users discuss about this. Today in this video we're gonna see how to turn off the headphone safety on iPhone in iOS 14. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first and basic solution is update your iPhone to latest version of iOS. For that, first launch settings, then connect to Wi-Fi and tap General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. After that we go for solution number 2. Disable the reduce loud sound option. For that, go to settings and tap screen time, then tap content and privacy restrictions. Now scroll down and tap reduce loud sounds. Here we have to make sure that don't allow is selected. Now we go for solution number 3. Turn off headphone notification. For that, launch settings, then tap sounds and haptics and tap headphone safety. Here we have to turn off headphone notifications. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.